Today's activity, we're going to talk about rain. Since it's raining outside and you can't go outside to play. The first thing you'll need is a jar with some water in it. A clear jar so you can see. We're going to see if we can make it rain. Then you'll need some blue food coloring and a cup with a little bit of water in it. We're going to add food coloring to our water. Make it pretty and blue. And then you'll need a shaving cream. Shake it real good. And then put some shaving cream in the water. And then we're going to take the pipette and drop colored water onto the shaving cream, and we're going to see if it rains. So you watch down at the bottom and see if you can see any rain that comes into the jar, into the water. Let's see if it'll rain. See if this works. You see any rain forming yet in the jar? I don't know if it's going to rain or not. Let's add a little bit more rain to the cloud. The shaving cream is supposed to be the cloud. So that's how the rain's going to come through, is through the clouds. We have to add some more. My shaving cream is turning blue, but I don't see any rain coming down. Uh-oh. Now I see some starting to come through the cloud. You see it there? Watch how it's starting to straggle down through the cloud. I may have to add a little bit more. See if we can get it to rain. You see it coming through the clouds now? It's beginning to come through. I see some right there coming through. You see the raindrops? Maybe if I move it a little closer, you can see. You see the raindrops are coming through? I see some rain starting to form. Let's add a little bit more and see what it does. We'll experiment with it. See if it works or not. I think I see some starting to come through. Okay. While you continue to watch this, I'm going to show you another activity that I want you to do. I took a water bottle and I cut the top of it off. Let me slide that over a little bit. I cut the top of it off. You'll have to get an adult to do this for you. And then I put rocks in the bottom of it so it wouldn't blow away. And since it's raining today, I'm going to make a rain gauge out of this. And I'm going to measure how much rain that we get today. And then I'm going to take a ruler and a permanent marker. And I'm going to measure it. So there's 1. There's 2 inches. 3 inches. 4 inches. And 5 inches. So we're going to see how much rain we get today. So I'm going to put a 1 here. A 2 here, a 3 here, a 4 here, and a 5 here. And then I'm going to measure the rain today. And that's what I want you to do, is make you a rain gauge and measure your rain, and then tell me how much rain you get. And then you take this part that we cut loose, and you put it like this, and it makes the funnel for the rain to go in. And then when the rain goes in this, I'm going to leave it outside on my sidewalk all day to measure how much rain that I got. Do you see how pretty the rain is starting to look in the jar now? I think it looks starting to rain. I may have to add a little bit more. But make your rain gauge and sit outside, and then maybe tomorrow message me and tell me how much rain that you got at your house. And I'll let you know how much rain I got at my house today. And let's make it rain a little bit more in the cloud. I think that looks pretty cool. I like science. I'm a scientific kind of girl. You like to see it rain? I think that looks real neat. You might have to make you one of these at home too to see the rain. But for sure, make you a rain gauge so that I can see how much. You don't have to put rocks in the bottom. You can put anything that you want just so that the wind won't blow it over. All right, let me know how much it rains at your house. See you later. Be safe and healthy at home.